How to download apps without payment method on iPhone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can download apps without any payment method on your iPhone. Now let's get started. First of all, head over to your App Store. After you head over to your App Store, you will see on the top right corner your username or your user ID's icon. Tap on it. After you tap on it, you'll need to tap on your username. Tap on it and then you'll get redirected to another page. Now wait for a while till the page loads. Now after the page loads, you'll see country and region option. Tap on country and region. After you tap on it, you'll get the option to change your country and region. So wait for it till it gets loaded up and there you go, change country or region. Tap on it. Now you can change your country or region. Now be sure to select a country whichever you are familiar with. Simply select a country. And after you select a country, tap on agree to the terms and conditions. So after you tap on it, what will happen is you'll now need to enter your details. I'll select none here. You can change your names and stuff too. After that, you'll need to add your billing address. Now you can add anything random here. It's not necessary that you add something that needs to be real. And after you do so, you can simply tap on next and your country will get changed. And since we have not added anything our payment method, we won't require any payment method on iPhone to download apps. And that is how you do it, guys. That is how you can download apps without payment method on iPhone. Thanks for watching. That is all for the video. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.